Good evening, happy Thursday. And again, we are now trying a different type of flip video where we have put some information together on the smartboard and you'll receive the audio of me talking. So this week we've been going through time, and time includes both telling time on a clock, the analog clock, a digital clock, and also bigger amounts of time are recorded on a calendar. So just to kind of review what we've gone over this week, in 1 minute, 60 seconds is 1 minute. So if I was to start this clock, right now it says 2 o'clock p.m. And if I was to start it, you can see how the seconds are being recorded here on the digital clock, and the seconds are going along here on the analog clock. And then in 1 hour, so then this hand goes around, that is 1 minute. Now when the larger hand goes around and we go to, right now it's, like I said, it is 2 o'clock, but if we go back and it's 12 o'clock and I wanted to make it 1 hour later, then that would be 1 o'clock. The hour hand has moved one number. Another hour later, now it's 2 o'clock. The hour hand has moved another. But in order to get that, you know, as we've gone through in class, the minute hand has to go all the way around in order to be able to do that. So it goes around 24 times in one day. And so 24 hours equals 1 day. And then 7 days is what equals a week, which then brings us over to the calendar. There are 7 days in a week, and most months have around 4 weeks, or a little bit more, because there are generally 30 or 31 days in a month, except for February, as we showed you here. That's a little oddball month that has 28 days. So if we were to count up how many weeks are in a year, it would be 52 weeks in a year. And we've gone through months before. Right now we're in the month of April. Next month will be the month of May. There are 12 months in 1 year. Now, what you're going to be doing tomorrow is we're going to be comparing these. So you've done a lot of understanding it, but now we're going to do some comparing, such as what's longer, 34 hours or 1 day? When you look at this chart, which will be up on our smartboard when you come in, you'll see 24 hours is in 1 day. So you now know 30 hours would be longer than 1 day. What's longer, 14 days or 3 weeks? Well, if there's 7 days in a week, in 2 weeks that would be 14 days, 3 weeks would be longer. So these would be the types of questions using various measurements of time that we're going to want you to be able to compare. So we look forward to seeing you in the morning. It'll be our last day of outdoor week, and we'll be practicing some different types of time activities. Have a good night.